The BuildX team members are a top-notch organization. BuildX just completed a 3-bedroom ranch house into an office for us. When working with BuildX, you have a personal team with you every single day.
I have a lot of friends that build houses and they can't believe that we build a house in 3 months.
It was a pretty aggressive schedule and they got it done.
So we basically doubled the square footage of our house. We got 2 extra bedrooms, a master suite, and it was 2 months to the day, start to finish, completely done, which is absolutely incredible. It's top quality, and it was done incredibly fast.
And the project started off to be a renovation. After meeting with Buzz, we decided to raise the existing house, essentially, brought it right down to the foundation.
And I'm so happy with everything. When I go into, again, every room, I look at all the selections that happened, and I love them all. I wouldn't change any of it.
My experience with BuildX was great. My next door neighbor across the street, he would look over, he'd say to us, I do not believe that there's somebody there every single day. They went above and beyond.
Within days, any questions were always answered.
BuildX built out the 3rd floor for us from being an enclosed attic space that was finished into a double-dormered, very large master suite. I live most of the year in Singapore, and so the whole process was remote.
We had a tree fall in our house 7 months ago, and BuildX came and fixed it. When I called the BuildX team, I got results that day. I would never expect that of any construction company, period.
The BuildX is excellent. Superb.
Everybody in the entire crew, excellent people, excellent workmanship, excellent craftsmanship, excellent everything.
And when you have that many brains working together, you get your final product that's perfect.
BuildX is the one to go to. I recommend them to anybody.
They're a step above everyone else. They said something was going to happen, it happened.
And remember, just build, baby.